and it reads, the Freedom Charter says, the last clause number 10 of the Freedom Charter speaks about peace and friendship. And peace and friendship has to do with the peaceful resolution of conflict as opposed to always choosing war. There are treaties that are trying to, facilitate the peace process between, the Sudanese, both north and south. And there are, of course, crimes against humanity that have been, committed. You can't interfere, compromise justice, compromise peace, in which you lose millions more of people's lives just because you want to hold one individual, al-Bashir, alone. We think that he must be held accountable, but that the approach towards accountability of al-Bashir must not compromise the peaceful resolution of that conflict. So there has to be a heavy investment at all times to peaceful resolution of conflict. Two, who must hold al-Bashir accountable? Definitely not the ICC.
Do you think Africa should have its own court that will